This is Village Auto's 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LT front-wheel drive. Very clean two-owner vehicle. The rear wiper, rear defrost, rear backup camera, power rear liftgate, alloy wheels, privacy glass, vent visors, bug shield. Very sharp, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 2.4 liter Ecotec 4-cylinder along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,880. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a full leather interior, exceptionally clean. You do have a full power options, Pioneer audio system, power driver's side seat, power moonroof, OnStar, AM/FM CD player with the Bluetooth and the USB and auxiliary inputs. The automatic climate control, heated front leather seats, auto stick feature, StabiliTrak, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. This one has only 71,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained SUV that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LT front-wheel drive home.